This next exercise is called Pendulums or continents. It's to improve shoulder range of motion. We're going to be using, assuming that my left shoulder is the injured one, and it's for pain modulation, so to help with pain, as well as to improve passive range of motion. This is not an exercise where you're going to be lifting your arm at all. The arm is going to be moved with gravity. The only thing you really need is a kitchen counter or kitchen table. You're going to lean your uninjured side on that kitchen table, and as you kind of move your hips backward and bend forward, you can see gravity is just taking my arm, right? So the muscles aren't having to work to hold my arm in this position. You're going to, if it tolerates it without pain, you're going to just weight shift kind of from one foot to the other, and that will get a little bit of gentle movement in the shoulder joint, in the glenohumeral joint, and you can even kind of take it in gentle circles or circular pendulums. If you want to increase the range of motion that you're getting out of your shoulder, you can go down to the elbow, rest your head on your forearm, and you can see this position that I'm in right now. My shoulder's basically at 90 degrees, okay? So it's essentially getting into this position. So this is loosening up the shoulder joint, getting it moving. You can weight shift back and forth and do circles. Thank you.